Good morning students. Last class we discussed about mixtures. Today we discuss about solutions. So our topic is solutions. So what is the meaning of solution? What is the definition of solution? How you can identify the solution? So already we know that in previous class homogeneous mixture are called as solutions. That means solution is a mixture of two or more components. Homogeneous mixtures are called solutions, or solution is a mixture of two or more components. Solution is a mixture of two or more components. What are that? So here solution containing mainly two components. What are that? Another also we should write this one. Solution equal to solute plus solvent. Here two components is there. Solute one component, solvent one component. That is called as solution. So here what is solute, what is solvent? Suppose any one example that we consider. If you want sugar solution, how you can prepare sugar solution? How we can prepare? Water and sugar. So here some amount of sugar dissolved in water, we prepared a sugar solution. So here this is the solution. Solution containing two or more components. What are that? Solute one, solvent one. So here in sugar solution, what is solute, what is solvent? Before going to identification of solute and solvent, first what is the definition of solute, what is the definition of solvent? First one, solute. What is the meaning of solute? The lesser amount the lesser amount of substance present in a solution is called as solute. Lesser, that means less quantity of substance present in the solution is called as solute. Next, what is the meaning of solvent? The So what is solvent? The larger amount of substance present in a solution is called as solvent. So solution contains solute plus solvent. What is solute? What is solvent? the lesser amount of substance present in a solution is called a solute. The larger amount of substance present in a solution is called a solvent. How you can identify the solute and solvent in a solution? Let me take one example. Simple. Example 1, sugar solution. We know that our day-to-day life we are observing sugar solution. Say any visitor center in our homes, we are preparing a sugar solution. How you can prepare? By taking water and sugar. So here sugar and water. Let me take small beaker, then added some amount of water. Next, 5 grams of sugar added. After stir with help of the any glass rod, it becomes to sugar solution. A sugar solution is prepared by mixture of sugar and water. So here let me take little amount of water in a beaker, then add some amount of sugar. It dissolve completely in water to form sugar solution. Okay, here what is we need? So we want solute, which is the solute, which is the solvent in sugar solution. So here which one we are taking larger amount? Here water is the larger amount present in this solution. That's why it is called as solvent. Here in sugar solution solvent is water, because of we are taking larger amount. So when we compare sugar and water, water is more amount. Here 5 grams sugar only is there. So that's why lesser amount present in the solution is called as solute. Here what is solute? Sugar. Next, example 2, salt solution. Now take a small beaker and added some amount of water, then add few grams of salt in water. So salt completely dissolved in water to form salt solution. In salt solution, which is the solute, which is the solvent? How you can identify? We know that solute and solvent definitions. Here what is the more amount, what is the lesser amount? Here water is larger amount in salt solution. That's why in salt solution solvent is water. Next, which is the left in the solution? Salt. Salt is the lesser amount in the salt solution. That's why it is called as solute. So this is about solutions. Next, types of solutions or classification of solutions. Classification of solutions. Class 1, based on the quantity of solute in a solution. Class 1, based on the quantity of solute in a solution. So here solution can be divided into two types based on the quantity of solute in a solution. What are that? First one is dilute solution. Next one, concentrated solution. Here, let me take dilute solution. The less quantity of solute present in a solution is called as dilute solution. The less quantity of solute present in the solution is called as dilute solution. The less quantity of solute present in a solution is called dilute solution. The less quantity of solute present in a solution is called dilute solution. How you can identify the dilute solution? Now, one example. Take a small beaker, example, sugar solution. Take a small beaker and added some amount of water. Then add 5 grams of sugar. This sugar completely dissolved in water to form sugar solution. Okay, we prepared sugar solution. So after, which one we have to identify which one is the more quantity, which one is the less quantity. So when we observe here 5 grams of sugar is there, but water is more quantity is there. So here water is more quantity. Sugar is less quantity. So that's why it is called as dilute solution. Dilute solution. Let me take another example. Example 2. Dilute HCl. How you can prepare dilute HCl? So now observe. Take a small beaker and added 10 ml of hydrochloric acid in a beaker. See here how much amount of HCl added into beaker? 10 ml. Then drop wise water added into the 10 ml of HCl solution. That means how much amount of water? Suppose you take 100 ml of water added to HCl solution. Okay, after prepared. So whenever we add the water, HCl completely dissolve in water to form dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid. So here, which is the larger quantity? Which is the lesser quantity? So here 100 ml of water is there. This is the larger quantity. 10 ml of HCl is the lesser quantity. That's why it is called as dilute solution. Dilute hydrochloric acid. So the less quantity of solute present in a solution is called as dilute solution. So here water is larger quantity, HCl is lesser quantity. The lesser quantity of solute present in solution is called as dilute solution. Next, concentrated solution. The quite opposite of dilute solution. The larger quantity of solute present in a solution is called concentrated solution. What is the definition? The larger quantity of solute present in a solution is called as concentrated solution. How you can identify the concentrated solution? Let me take some examples. Same, you have to take sugar solution. So we know that preparation of sugar solution. Now observe here carefully. First you have to take small beaker, then added 10 ml of water in a beaker. So next 50 grams of sugar added into the water. We prepared sugar solution. But here which is the more amount, which is the lesser amount? So here 10 ml of water added in a beaker, 50 grams of sugar added in a water. So here solute is the larger amount. It is the lesser amount. The larger quantity of solute present in a solution is called as concentrated solution. Here 50 grams of sugar added into the 10 ml of water. That's why 50 grams of sugar is the larger quantity. 10 ml of water is the lesser quantity. So that's why it is called as concentrated sugar solution. Next, another one. Example 2, concentrated HCl. So this is also solution, because of here also two components is there, hydrochloric acid and water. Now so let me take small beaker, then added 500 ml of hydrochloric acid, then add 10 ml of water in hydrochloric acid. So when we observe these two, which is the larger quantity, which is the lesser quantity? Here water is there, hydrochloric acid is there. So here 500 ml is the 500 ml of HCl is the larger quantity. So here water is the lesser quantity in a solution. So here the larger quantity of solute present in a solution is called as a concentrated solution. That means which substance has more quantity in the solution, that is called as concentrated solution. Here which substance? Solute, the quantity of solute. So this is example of dilute solution, concentration solution based on the quantity of solute in a solution. Next, class 2. Based on the type of solvent and solution, second classification based on the type of solvent and solution. One is aqueous solution, what is the meaning of aqueous? Here aqueous means water. A solution in which water acts as a solvent is called a aqueous solution. Example, dilute hydrochloric acid. How we can prepare dilute hydrochloric acid? So here let me take a 100 ml of water, five ml of HCl. Here which is the solvent, which is the solute? Larger amount is called as a solvent, lesser amount is called as solute. This is called as dilute. So here aqueous means more amount of water present in the solution. Here a solution in which water act as a, here water act as a solvent in this solution. That's why it is called as aqueous solution. Next, second one, non-aqueous solution. So here second one is what? Non-aqueous solution. A solution in which other substance act as a solvent instead of water is called a non-aqueous solution. So here what is that? Water does not act solvent, but other substance act as a solvent. That is called as non-aqueous solution. Example, we are observing our day-to-day life. Alcohol in water. Alcohol in water. So the drinkers, a little amount of water added into the alcohol solution. That is called as non-aqueous solution.